Today marks a significant milestone in our journey towards inclusive and dignified home ownership for every Fijian. And I'm so deeply honored to be here today to officially issue offer letters to 47 tenants of the public rental board estate here in Narere, giving you the opportunity to purchase your own lots at very highly subsidized as well as affordable prices. I must also thank the committee that looks after this estate. This has been a long-awaited dream for many of you. The chance to move from uncertainty to stability, from tenancy to ownership. I thank all the school, all the children that are here this afternoon. I think what we are doing today is not only for you, it's for these young children that are here. And hopefully, in years to come, they'll be able to reap, make sure that the benefits that opportunities will be given this afternoon. This initiative is part of the government's broader commitment to our national housing policy that prioritizes low-income families and vulnerable communities. Through careful planning and partnership, we've been able to offer these lots at prices significantly below market value. You must be wondering, Minister, what do you mean by this? When it comes to property evaluation, normally property, if somebody wants to sell a property, a land, or a house with a land, they normally sell it at market value. But what we have done, we are offering these lots at highly subsidized prices. That means it's really below market value. The reason why the Public Rental Board has come forward with this initiative is to help you to acquire as well as to buy off these lots. And you can use your own savings, you can use your own FNPF savings, you can even loan from bank to help you in acquiring the lots through the offer they'll be given today. Through careful planning and partnership, we have been able to offer, as I said, these lots at very low value. And through these offers, you can secure better financing through financing institutions, or credit institutions like Housing Authority of Fiji, even other banks of your choice to improve your homes. These financial providers and the overall process include affordable payment terms, clear land titles, and structured support to assist households as they transition into formal home ownership. So what we are doing here is to try and move you into a situation where you're no longer renting, be able to call that place, be able to call that home your own. The Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources for holding the fort over a number of years since its inception. The dedication ensures that our policies don't just stay on paper, they change the lives on the ground. That is what your coalition is for. We are here to change your lives. We are here to make sure that we can offer you better opportunities for not only for you, for your children. To the 47 families that will be receiving offer letters today, congratulations. This is your moment. We are proud to walk this journey with you, and we will continue to stand by you as you build not just homes, but stronger and safer communities. When I say communities, it's not only about one family, two families, it's about all of you, it's about these 47 families. And what the government wants to share with you, wants to do with you, is to work with you in ensuring that we live in a more secure community. A community that does not promote, that does not stay back and look at our children dealing drugs across the community. Sa kere kem ni bambimbi na alabiokani. Sa rui lewu sa chunga na kena bang tegba sibe na wengan ni be man drugs. So it's about time. We need to stand together. We need to stand together, not only for all of us as a community, we fight, we are trying to address some of the social problems that are happening in our society. Two issues are now common now. One is drugs. Another issue is the increasing number of our youth, of our children, infected with HIV/AIDS. So these are some of the things that we need to share with our communities. We need to work together and also try and stop people, outsiders, from entering this, and try and discourage people from engaging in these illegal activities like consumption as well as selling of drugs. So I plead with all of you, the church leaders, the community leaders, with the community members, please let's work together. If there are issues happening here, please share with the committee. If not, escalate with the parental board, even escalate to me, so that we will be able to live in a more safer, and a more secured, and a more livable community. May this be the beginning of more celebrations like this across Fiji, as we continue to unlock doors of opportunity and ownership for our people. May God bless us all. May God bless Fiji.